Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a quick review but also a slight get ready with me featuring this wig that you see right here. So let's jump right in. This wig is courtesy of Zury Hollywood, so thank you Zury Hollywood for sending me another wig. It's from their sister wig, NATURALISTAR V line. And it's in the style Water Wave in the color Som T 2730. So here's the stock card. So as you can see from the stock card, the model is wearing it more, you know, put together. It's pretty neat. I, on the other hand, did not want to wear it that neat, so that's how you see this right here. I'm feeling very lioness. And you know I love voluminous hair, so it's not a big deal to me. It is a lace front, so I know that typically when we see this hair we think crochet twists or yeah, crochet twists. That's exactly what I thought. So the fact that it's a lace front, like, okay, now we really don't have to sit there and wait till our hair is braided and, you know, they crochet the hair in. Now you can rock it as a lace front. There isn't a parting space that I could see, and it's fine because this wig is so huge that I don't care about it not being a parting space. I use my own baby hair, so if you see this, these are my baby hairs untouched. Now usually when I wear my straighter hair, I will, you know, slick them down or whatever, but thankfully I didn't have to do that because it's very natural. I'm going very natural right now. So yeah, so you guys let me know how you like it. Let me know if you guys like the color, if you like the style, what you feeling. I, on the other hand, I love it. I already told you guys that since it is February and I'm all things, you know, Black History Month, it's also Black Panther. We're gonna call it Black Panther Month. So yeah, so everybody is like super excited. I'm super excited to go see the movie and to go with my fam. So I thought, why not show y'all what my look is gonna be? Like hair, dress, look at that. You see that? Yeah. Yeah, so I'm ready. I'm ready. I've been ready. I've been ready since last year when they didn't even have a date for it yet. Like, that's how ready I've been. So, of course, I did not come to play. So, yes, this is me just kind of honoring just our heritage and our Black excellence and our melanin skin and just everything that is just Black. All right, is that okay? Because I'm rooting for everything that's Black. Everybody that's Black, all of this, all of that. So yeah, I just love it. My hair texture is not this texture. My hair is actually finer. I guess yeah, I think that's, my hair is actually finer, but I'm loving it that as long as I didn't, you know, slick down these baby hairs, like, you won't know. I like it. I like the look that is going, this kinky twist kind of look. Like, I'm feeling it, you know? So just so you guys know, I did experience some shedding when I started running my hands through it, but like, I'll show you. So this is the shedding from the wig. It's very minimal compared to, you see how much hair this is? Like, I'm not gonna miss this hair at all. Like, it's still very voluminous. Like, I'm not missing it at all. So if you guys were wondering, like, it does shed, it's not a big deal. Like, I'm fine with it. So I hope that you guys like it. Make sure to stay tuned to where you see me unbox it, show you all the deets and everything of the wig, give you up close and personal and just how I got it to look like this. I only separated these twists, and so it was quite a lot of twists to separate, so I just started running my hands through it, and that's what you guys will see, that I was like, I don't have all day, okay? I don't have all day. So I hope that you guys love it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
Dubai, you so